Hello everybody, I'm back again to make another video. I keep wearing out body cameras, can't keep one. First bought this Powell body camera, worked great for about 2 years, cost about $60 some. Pretty durable camera, pretty heavy, got its own memory, but you can add an SD card, get more memory. It worked great for 2 years, until I dropped it in the water in the lake and it was ruined. Bought this little body camera here. Used it a couple months, charging it up with the USB one day, and it just got hot. Got so hot I couldn't touch it. It just quit. Couldn't get a refund. The seller on eBay said he wasn't able to send me a return and shipping label. Blah blah blah. Only costed $40 some. I decided to eat that. Got back on eBay and got this little cheap body camera with a clip. Camera will flip back and forth, clip it in your pocket. So I bought 2 of these, $18 a piece. The other one is clamped up on my sun visor to record while I'm driving as a dash cam. This one I'll put in my pocket. So what I found out was it has no battery. When you plug it into power like a battery, it'll automatically start recording. It has night vision if you flip a switch. So what I'm going to do in the morning is plug the one in the truck in the cigarette lighter and it'll start recording as my dash cam. This one, I got to carry a battery in my pocket. Don't have it with me. Plug that into the battery, it starts recording. That'll be my body camera. It'll be upside down until I press this button and hold it. It switches it to where it ain't upside down. Long story how these work. Took me a couple days to figure it out. So, Powell body camera, good camera. I just dropped it in the water. I don't recommend buying this one. I just got these and made a few videos testing them. But then I got the one I'm using, I bought it at the flea market, just a Sony digital camera is all it is. Got it at the flea market for 20 bucks. Came with a case. Take the battery out and charge it on this. Got me a card reader. Take the memory card out of this camera I'm using, plug this into my computer, upload my videos off the SD card. Another camera for backup, got its own cable to upload the videos out of that card by plugging the whole camera up. A few other things here, but anyway, it's my body camera for now. Bought 2 of those, $18 a piece. Got one on the sun visor as a dash cam. This will be my body camera. Just carry a battery in my pocket and plug it into the battery, stick the battery in my pocket and it'll record. Put the SD card in right here. I only got one micro SD card. It's in the one in the truck, ready for in the morning when I leave. Just a video, what I'm doing with body cameras. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. Have a good day.